I'm rolling now.
Through these doors walk the greatest Donnie Difference bowlers of all time. That's because we're at North Star Pro Shop, home of the Donnie Difference. You have no idea what that is until these vlogs. We're here at the TOC. This is week 6 on the tour, and we're heating up. Finished 20th last week, 10th the week before. So we're hitting our stride. This is the week. This is the week where we need to turn it up a little bit because 17 people make the TV show. But I would very much like to be on that last one because having to bowl that many matches to win a title on TV when my match play record on TV is like 2-9.
Is this statistically the easiest show to make?
This is statistically the easiest cut to make. It's the smallest field. In the past, this has been the easiest one to make because you're obviously beating less people. You don't really have randoms making the show because there aren't any randoms bowling. Everybody here is unnamed. But we're gonna treat it like any other tournament. We're just gonna get out there, lace them up, throw some balls, and hopefully all the pins fall down. Yeah, it's snowing.
A lot.
I don't like it. I mean, I don't know how much Jesse likes it because I don't know if you've ever seen snow like this before.
Not like this. You know what car I rented?
Oh yeah, you mentioned you got a Tesla.
The worst car possible for some conditions like this.
Yeah.
Sound the alarm, it's not a drill, everybody be warned. We burning it down and build it back up, it's time to reform. We're ready and willing to do what we gotta do, you cannot stop it. We put in the time, we've been on our grind, nobody can top it. Our time to rise. Our time to rise. Our time to rise. We've been through the fire, no sight of the rain. We came from the ashes just like a phoenix flies the plane. We ready for more, they blowing the horn, we ready for war. We on the front line, we fight for the pride, we coming with swords. We fight to the death, even then resurrect. The blood of a soldier, the heart of a lion beat out of our chest. We've been in the jungle, fought all our life, we ready for battle. We never give up, we fight as a unit, we taking the mantle. Our time to rise. 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 Our time to rise.
Everybody in the comment section wants to know what that ball is.
It's a Marvelous. We're gonna keep throwing the black ball though. We're plus 37 after 2. Game 1 made one really bad one, kind of expensive. Had 190, and then that was a really fortunate 240. So we're kind of riding the wave. Made some better shots that game though. I'm feeling pretty good.
Hey, good game.
Okay, thanks.
Great.
1, 2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, can you do it like this? 7, 8, and don't be late now. Nah, everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody come on.
Like a 9 to 5, let me see you work. Like a 9 to 5, let me see you work. Work that, work that. Like a 9 to 5, show me work.
Feels so good, I've been working it out. Now let the haters try talk, I've been drowning them out. Go ahead, get the work, then wide out. Hit me with the low fee, I need a higher amount. Get it one more time, 365. This throwback hit for the 9-9. Knees to your thighs, reach for the sky. Ain't no PTO time, I'm just trying to get the work. 1, 2, show 'em how we do. 3, 4, turn it up more. 5, 6, can you do it like this? 7, 8, and don't be late now. Nah, everybody come on. Everybody come on. Everybody
5, let me see you work it out, work it out. Like a 9 to 5, let me see you.
Who you know bustin' like this? 2 by 2 plus all my friends. They don't know how we got in. 1, 2, 3, I plead the 5th. Work it out like a marathon. Had to hit 'em with the high 5 of motor car. Swing for the fences like Barry Bond. On the track running wild like the Amazon. Ay.
Work that, work that, work that. Like a 9 to 5, let me see you work it out, work it out. Like a 9 to 5, let me see you.
Everybody come on.
1, 2, 3,
Everybody come on now.
work that, work that.
Everybody come on.
1, 2, 3,
Everybody come on now.
work that, work that. 1, 2, 3, work that, work that. 1, 2, 3, work that, work that. Work that, work that, work that, work that, work that, work that.
A little disappointed with that one. It was very gettable. Just little things. Could have easily been 260, but we got a couple more games this block. Just gotta do the right things at the right time.
Once again, here we go. Know the name, know the flow. Turn me up a little more. I'm setting traps, I'm alone. You know you whack, I'm a maniac. Boy, you know I'm black to the bone. Pick a place, pick a date. I go Goku, pick a load. Thought you was good, huh? Take you out back, Drake through the woods, huh? Thought I was weak, huh? You ain't see the work I put in all week, huh? Give me that, where the city at? Nitty gritty, this ain't gonna be pretty, Jack. Not afraid, get up out the way. Y'all used to hate, look at what you made. When it all goes down, I'ma run this town. Fire in my soul, got my eyes on the ground. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town, I won't die in this town. Yeah. Hey, don't die in this town. Yeah, get 'em up. I won't die in this town. Hold up, homie, wait a minute. Lately, y'all don't even pay no visits. I can still hear the hater critics saying he ain't gonna make it, is he? Lately, I developed laser vision. Yeah, I burn through people in their cruel intentions. Crazy, you tryna play me? Boy, you wouldn't even make the scrimmage. Get your up and pass up your limits. Got these new rappers looking vintage. All I really do is eat spinach, count money up and hang with pretty women. I was driven, yeah, I had the vision. Then Goon came along and made it vivid. Haters living cause we really living. I'm a freight train, you a Honda Civic. Hold up, wait, let me get specific. If you pick a mission and you stay committed, stop transmitting, and you really listen, you'll see that big collision, just a big transition. When it all goes down, I'm gonna run this town. Fire in my soul, got my eyes on the ground. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town, I won't die in this town. Hey, hey, get 'em up. I won't die in this town.
Come on. I mean, it was a good block. Just the left lane kind of did me dirty. I got lined up, but it 4-pin 3 times. So realistically, I was this close to bowling 250. It's a better start than we've been giving ourselves. So
Yeah.
I'm a lot happier about that. I haven't finished the block very good. So that's what's really frustrating about right now.
How'd you do?
Well, I didn't beat Darren, but I think if I beat Darren by the end of the week, my placement's gonna be really good.
Oh, that's a good thing.
We're just gonna try to do it a little better next block. But yeah, we're in a pretty good spot. Not too upset. It was really just that last game, made 2 mistakes. Personally, don't think I got as much as I deserved that game, but that's just how bowling is. 12 more games of qualifying. We've got 6 tonight. We'll see you for the next block.